Good morning everyone, and welcome back out to the Bush Block Homestead. Well, as you can see, today we're putting in this sliding door in the bedroom region. Originally I was going to remove the original container doors, but I've decided to cut the doors out to fit the framework in. As you can see, I've already started this morning and I've cut this half out here section and then started on this second door here. Started to cut it out, and I just had to open it just to try and get all that steel beam cut. So once that's all cut, I'll be able to close the rest of the frame up, and the frame of the new sliding door should fit in there. You can see there we've got that cutout made now. I'll put the frame up there and I'll have to adjust the cut so the frame fits properly, and then I'll weld that door shut on those brackets there properly as well. That saves me a lot of work filling in the gap around the door frame if I was to remove those original doors. I've just put that framing in there, just temporary. It's not fitting quite right, I've got a bit to cut out. I just got to trim this side here a bit and also up the top, so I'll grind that back and then see if I can fit this frame properly into place. Got that frame welded in there now, and I've just put some sealer on the outside. So now all we've got to do next, just got this frame sitting in there, we'll screw that into position before we put the glass panels in. I've just finished screwing that aluminium frame into place, as you can see there. I'll start putting in these glass panels. we go, we've got all that door completed now, all in place. Haven't got the outdoor screen on as I need top rollers for it. So yeah, that'll be the last door to put in for a while. The next job we're going to do, next time we come out, we're going to level these floors together. I've just given these containers a sweep out and clean the floor, all ready to put the leveler down. So next time we come out we'll attempt to do that. Thanks again for joining us on the Bush Block Homestead. We'll catch you again next time. See ya.